some limitations to it. All right. So for payroll, in order to get the payroll to use the job costing, you're gonna have to use QuickBooks Payroll and their T sheets or QuickBooks Time, whatever they're calling it now, in order to track hours by project. And the unfortunate thing is that piece rate isn't supported. So if you're in a specialty trade and you're doing a lot of paying a lot of people on a piece rate basis, and you're having to run that through payroll, it's just not supported. I got a client facing that right now, a lot of hourly employees, some piece rate, and it's a mess and it doesn't work. And we have to actually do some manual input to get all the information into the projects. The other thing is that you must generate invoices from within QuickBooks Online as well. So when you generate an invoice, you can tie it directly to a project. There'll be a column on the right-hand side within the invoice, and you select which project it's for. And that's important because that's how the revenue gets tracked per project. If you're using an outside software for estimating and then generating the invoices and collecting payment, like I have a client doing, the software may feed in the invoice data and create invoices within QuickBooks, but it's likely not going to go that extra step of adding the project to it. So if you have an outside software, you may have to actually manually go in once the invoice shows up in QuickBooks and click on it and add the project directly to it. So what I'm saying is you basically, if the easiest way to make job costing work within QuickBooks is using their QuickBooks payroll and using the invoice, generating invoices and or estimates and invoices in QuickBooks Online itself to have it all within the same software. Otherwise, if you start having to piece things together, it becomes a little bit more work to get all the software to communicate with each other, and you may have to figure out some sort of manual processes as well, like I have with my clients. So anyways, I hope this is helpful.